All right, why is everyone buying this ergonomic office chair? It is flying off the shelves on Amazon right now, selling over 1,050 units every single month, and it's being rated and reviewed very highly by those who buy it. So not only is it selling over 1,050 units every month, it has been rated over, was it 368? 368 times, and the average rating is 4.4 stars. That's insane. Anything with 50 ratings or more that has at least 4.0 stars, you're good to go. Like, that's a great product. Once you get into 4.2, 4.3, it's done deal. There's nothing to worry about here. This is 4.4. That's insane. 368 ratings. You know, when you're receiving this, you know this has been vouched for by hundreds of other people, and you can feel confident in your buying decision, because this is a product where, like, you know, you have to order it, you take it out of the box. This was really quick to build. I mean, this is definitely, I mean, I've reviewed over the last 2.5, 3 years, I have reviewed probably over 150 office chairs, if not over 200 office chairs. And this one was very, very quick in comparison to the others. I want to say I put this together in less than 20 minutes. Actually, probably less than 15 minutes. It was very, very easy. It'll probably be a little bit longer for you because I'm used to doing this, but it was very quick. But being rated and reviewed very highly by those who buy it, it's being bought in droves. The price point you're seeing on the product page, that does not make sense. I mean, dude, this is an executive office chair in comparison to other office chairs that I've done. You know what you're getting with this. This should be at least 3 times more what is shown on the product page. Honestly, it should be more than that. This one should be more than that. With that said, extremely comfortable. Love the material. It's got the nice PU leather, but it's like a very soft, because PU leather, sometimes it varies like in the way it feels. This is a very soft PU leather. And if you see up in here, there's some perforation in here, and as well as in the middle right here. So it's a little bit more breathable than normal. So if you're sitting in this for hours, you're not going to be sweating, at least not nearly as much with other chairs. It's got the nice breathable vibe. Also very soft with the high density foam. So you got an extra cushion up here for the headrest, but very soft just all throughout, even down here. Very soft, but also very nice support. Even the armrests got the nice PU leather feel, even the sponge, the high density foam as well. Another sweet thing about the armrests is not every chair does this. These armrests go up, so you need to put those up to bring it into your desk. You can do that. That's great. I am about 5'11". This is how I sit in it at the lowest position. I'm going to take it over to the highest position, and you will see that. There we go. And I can almost, well, I guess it's not super comfortable flat-footed. Like, if I was taller, that's good. Like, basically what I'm trying to say is this is great for if you're taller, this is going to be a great chair. Because for me, I'm good. Like right here, this is the perfect position for me. I could even do the bottom, honestly. Bottom is a little bit small for me, but great chair. Also, it's locked in place, but as you could see in the beginning, has this nice rocking tilt function, which I think is mandatory if you're on a call or just, you're not doing, you sit at your desk all day. Dude, you need to bare minimum to be able to rock. Sometimes you're on a call, you want to put your feet up on the desk, you need to be able to rock back in order to do that. So great. 400-pound weight capacity. So almost like a big and tall vibe. Not exactly big and tall, or not technically big and tall, but definitely has that vibe with a 400-pound weight capacity. And nice and smooth in the wheels. I think this is a great chair. Oh, I don't know. Okay, dude, straight up. I don't know how I forgot about this. I almost forgot about this point. I would say this is the most important point of the chair. So that's crazy that I almost forgot it, because this is the most important point. The lumbar support. So a lot of these, I've reviewed over 150 office chairs in the last few years. Probably maybe 3 office chairs have had this. And straight up, dude, these are like the executive office chairs where you pump this And as you're pumping it like this, it's bringing this out to give you that lumbar support. Depending on your needs, you just keep pumping it. Once you like it, you stop. And maybe you went a little bit too far to let the air out. Press this button right here. And I can feel the air being let out. So this is high end, dude, for the price, dude. Just for this, I've only seen this on high end chairs. So insane. I see why everyone's buying it. Highly recommend.